Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to start headers and footers from the second piece in Microsoft Word without using section breaks. This is perfect for documents like letters, resumes, or reports where you want the first page to stay clean and uncluttered. Let's get started. First, let's open up a new document in Microsoft Word. Now head over to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top. Here you'll find the header and footer options. Click on Header and choose Edit Header from the drop-down menu. This action will open up the Header and Footer Tools Design tab, and you'll see your cursor is now in the header area of your document. By default, Word links headers and footers in all sections. Since we are not using section breaks and we want a different header starting from the second page, let's first deselect Link to Previous. You can find this button in the navigation group on the Design tab. With Link to Previous turned off, anything you type into the header or footer on this page won't appear on the first page. Now, since we want the header to start from the second page, we'll leave the header on the first page blank. Simply click Close Header and Footer or double-click anywhere in the document body to exit the header. Now let's navigate to the second page of your document. If you don't already have a second page, press Ctrl plus Enter to insert a page break. Double-click at the top of the second page to reopen the header for editing. Now you can type in whatever you want in your header or footer starting from this page. For example, you can simply write header or whatever you want. And there you have it. Your header starts from the second page without affecting the first page and without the need for any second breaks. And that's it. You know now how to start headers and footers from the second page without using section breaks. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Have any question or is there a tutorial you want to see? Leave us a comment down below. See you next time.